What is up guys, this is Xander from Deft Film. Today I'm teaching you a fast way to sync audio up. So we just shot this episode 1 clip of my series, and we have built-in audio.
What?
And we have these 2 sets of lavaliere mics. In the beginning of each of these clips, we clapped. And the reason we did that is to create, my dog is barking in the background, but the reason we did that is to create these big sound waves here. And if you hold Alt and scroll where my mouse is, you can extend this or shrink it, but we made these. So if I were to go here, it's in chronological order, and I would open it up and see that there's 2 big waves here, and that's probably from the same clap. I also noticed that this audio clip is only coming out of my left ear. A quick way to fix this is to use an effect called fill right with left, or if it's the other way around, fill left with right, but you just drag that right on and then it equalizes everything. So I have those 2 big claps, and here's Thomas's first audio clip, and if I look into it, there's going to be 2 big waves right here. And you can make a marker by pressing M. I know that not all clips that you want to sync up will have a clap, but for example, you can always use any big sound that was inside of the clip. So if I were to go here,
Fucking cut me off.
this is Thomas being really loud, and we can use that to sync up. The first thing I'd want to do is sync these 2 up, and I put a marker on both of those claps. So I would drag this down and bring it over and match these 2 markers up, just to get it in the general area. Then I would hold Alt and scroll here on both, and hold Alt and scroll to zoom in and match these 2 up. And if you hold Alt and use your arrow keys, you can move this frame by frame to match up. And
It's like she doesn't.
now these 2 audio clips are matched up. So I can see these 2 big marks right here. So I'm gonna click right here, and I'm gonna press M. And I'm gonna bring my 2 audio clips back and match it with that green marker over there. And by holding Alt and my arrow keys while having both audio clips selected, I'm gonna move them together, and bam. So now if you see, if I just mute this audio clip, it should be the same. So now you can hear my lavaliere mic.
It's gonna be like on our phones.
And you can hear Thomas's lavaliere mic. So if you only want 1 to play, you would solo it.
Our phones.
If you want 2 to play, you would solo these 2.
That's all I was preparing for the set.
That's how you sync audio. Thanks for watching guys, this is Xander from Deft Film, and we're dropping one of these tutorials every Thursday, so make sure you keep up.